Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. How you doing today? If you've ever dreamed of getting away on a 6-star luxury line for a cruise holiday, this is one of the cruise lines you would consider. Windstar. The Windstar Corporation has 6 ships, 3 of which are operated with sailboats and engines, and 3 of them look like this. They are in effect power yachts. Each of the ships are about 400 feet long and they hold 212 passengers, nowhere near the size of a typical cruise ship with 2,500, 3,500 passengers. Very intimate setting. The ship can go to all kinds of small coves in the Caribbean, the Mediterranean, where in effect they open the back up of the ship and out you go. You can snorkel, scuba dive, swim, go on a little sailboat, enjoy yourself. Can't do that on a major cruise ship. Pool deck like this on a big cruise ship is packed with kids and screaming adults having a great old time. Here, it's super relaxed, super intimate, 6-star luxury, and it's absolutely fantastic. The folks at Windstar have decided to upgrade their 3 ships. The Star Breeze, the Star Legend, and the Star Pride are all approaching 30 years of age. They're going to cut them in half. They're going to add an 80-foot section to each of these ships. They're going to look more like this going forward. And it's a $250 million upgrade, taking the ship from 438 feet in length to 520 feet in length. Silver Sea people did this already with their ships. They cut them in half and added pre-made sections. This is the way to go to modernize a ship and bring it up to modern-day standards. Yet, with Windstar, they wanted to keep it intimate and not become a super liner. The changes will allow the company to add 50 new cabins to each of the ships. 100 additional passengers will now be housed. That takes it to 312 passengers. They'll add the crew size as well to accommodate that. They're going to add 2 new dining venues on the ship. The spa is going to be greatly expanded. The pool deck on the top of the ship will also be expanded. There'll be a larger pool, more room for more loungers. All suites will be completely upgraded and changed over. So even the owner's suite at the front of the ship is going to be completely remade while this $250 million refurbishment happens. They start cutting them in half October 2019. They'll be finished by November 2020. One of the big features that they're going to do is the 7 engines that each ship has now will be removed and will be replaced with 4 new engines instead. Each of these new engines, brand new, modern technology, clean burning, way more efficient. In effect, the ships will be able to sail at a faster speed using less fuel and not putting out the pollutants that the old ships have been putting out. So these are being majorly upgraded. Environmentalists should be happy with this. Cruisers are going to love the new amenities, and it should be interesting to watch. I'll follow this story as they expand these ships, and we'll do additional videos to see how they look when they're all done. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, and Saturdays at 2 o'clock Eastern. We talk cruise ships 6 days a week, and please subscribe to my channel today. See you next time. Bye for now.